All right, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Crypto Market Daily. This is your boy Bobby B in the house. Almost 10 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We're going to give you guys an update, but there's something really crazy going on with the markets. The Dow Jones, NASDAQ, and the S&P all in red, but also the VIX is in red. Tesla and Twitter in green, but Amazon and Apple in red. U.S. oil in red, but the gold and silver in green. Wow, this is very interesting. However, the DXY and the total crypto market, that is not interesting or particular because they always have an inverse correlation. With the US dollar index right now looking like our call is coming out to an exact T, having that real nice laddering up motion, but I told you guys that I thought that it was losing its steam. 102.45. I believe it's going to go down to right around that 102, or shall I say 101.66. So this is great. We want this to move sideways or down. I'm calling for it to move down. This will allow us to move up. Now, jumping on into the total crypto market cap, in the green right now by a very thread, 1.219. So we are just jumping back into that channel. Speaking of channels, this is your boy Crypto Market Daily, Bobby B in the house, 9:53 to be exact p.m. Pacific Standard Time. We are getting back into that channel. You know, we always respect the channel until it breaks. So this is from my Solana army. We love all of you. Looking like that 37.63 is holding rather strong. Looks like earlier on in the day we were having a little bit of a sell-off. However, the Solana army is strong. People believe in this project, and so do I. That's why we're in it. I waited a very long time to wait for those prices to go down, and right now this is pretty much, I believe, the lowest it's going to get. If it gets lower, we're going to add even more, so that's all good. Now, price points to watch. There's also a little channel going on right now with Solana. It's in between that $40 and $37 range. So as of right now, I think if we get enough momentum, we get those buyers to step in. We know right now that MACD is curling up. On the hourly, that RSI looking like it has room to run. We can possibly, with enough volume, tag that $40 price range. Whether or not we get above it and hold it is another question. That's all about the volume. Volume always dictates the price. So as of right now, we can pretty much clear up the charts. That 37.72 or 37.63 has held, and it does look like we are getting some of that momentum up. I told you guys earlier that those wicks to the bottom show those buyers stepping in, pushing away those sellers and really getting some of that momentum. Again, MACD curling up, still in the red, but it's like more like a light pink, and that RSI looks like it does have room to run. So our next price point to watch, breaking out of this little micro fib, it's right around that $40 price range. So we have to break out, and if we break out, then we got momentum. We're going to be able to retag those $45 price ranges. So just kind of playing around with this little micro tiny fib. Doesn't really look like there's much room to run, but however, it does look like the fibs are being respected. And if they respect the fibs, then we're going to play them. As of right now, go ahead and zoom in. We got to break out of here. $40.20. That's going to give us what we need. And that's where I believe we are headed. We're headed to that $40 price range. If we fail and that $39.54 does not hold, then we will retest that $37.63. Again, we're playing this channel. We've kind of been in and out of it, breaking above it and then breaking below it. I believe these are two critical lines in the sand. Volume dictating the price on this one. At the end of the day, we're going to see if the bulls can pull through and sneak away with a real nice victory, calling the bottom right around that $36 price range. So next, we got our big boy, Mr. Market Maker. This is a long video. I hope you guys are holding on strong. We've had a very super long day. It's about 20-hour long work day. So as of right now, RW breakout didn't break out. We got above that 30,720 and then tagged almost nearly our overhead resistance and broke down. However, I am seeing something in these charts. If we go ahead and pull that trend down, we're gonna show that we're actually having a little bit of a triangle. Is this possibly a little breakout moment where we're either gonna do a break up or down? So we know that those triangles always break in kind of like the momentum or in the movement in which it was going. As of right now, we are in a downtrend. So ideally, this is probably gonna move down. But me being a moon boy and me knowing Bitcoin, whenever everybody's calling it to move down, kind of does whatever it wants. So move up, boom. I'm predicting that move up to break out of that $30,000 720. If we don't, hello ladies and gentlemen, we're gonna tag that 28.8. You heard it here, Crypto Market Daily. We're gonna possibly give you as many updates as we need daily. This is the channel. Welcome everyone, Solana Army. We love you guys. God bless you guys. Smash up the likes, subscribe, and as always guys, we love you. Peace out.